Yeah, we just arrived on the 1st of February 1996. It's only 7:15 in the morning. We had a nice flight over from Barbados. This Frank is taking pictures too. They're running commentaries for the New York Times. The wind is brisk this morning, but it's a beautiful day. We'll have breakfast and then we'll go check into our boat. I'm going to show up on my sound effects. This is coming into the island of Hillsborough. We have to check out of the Grenada. It's windy. It's about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. And taking us into this beautiful place. That's Sandy Island in the background. We just came around this point from Terrell, the first harbor of the Carriacou. Carriacou means the island of reefs, surrounded by reefs. Myra's thinking about something. So, coming into Hillsborough. Boat is, we got a lot of wind out this morning. That's the Hillsborough dock up ahead. We're going to check into customs up there. Island on the 3rd of February 1996. We're at the home of Foyle's uncle. Foyle plays at Hamilton, or at Colgate University. February. It's about 80 degrees. We're anchored off of Palm Island. This in the background is Union Island. There's a very peculiar mountain peak on top of this island. Something very violent must have formed that thing. The actual harbor is down in here where we were last night. It was good, but it was a little bit of a roll. Here's a square rigger and French square rigger flying the French flag. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here. This is Palm Island in the background behind my room. A beautiful island. It's got a little mountain on it. Yeah, we're swinging with it. We're going ashore on Palm Island on Sunday the 4th of February. 5 above zero in Syracuse, but it's 80 here. Here we are on Sunday the 4th of February. Just left Palm Island in the background. Stick at the helm. There's the reef point off Union. Union's right in here. That's the end of the runway on Union. We're heading for Meru. That's Meru up ahead. Tobago Cays are out there. Someplace at Tobago Cays. This is full moon. Where's Frank? This is full moon on the I don't know it. No, what's the name of this boat?
I don't know.
I don't know. This is on the 4th of February 1996. This is the moon. The moon through the rigging. This is on Meru, the island of Meru, and the Windward Islands of Grenada, in the park belonging to St. Vincent. The rigging and the moonlight is incredible. I don't think you can see them. There they are. Nah, they don't show up. Now? Ah. Where's the moon? This is Tobago Cay. Great reef system here. This is all reefs. Reefs as far as you can see. Grenada. Here's where we started off from Secret Harbor down here. Came around this point and came up the west coast of Grenada. Like this, and then we had to tack in. Then we motor sailed. Across here, but at Kickham Jimmy we hit the heavy seas. We motor sailed all the way up to Tyrrell Bay up here. Then we went over to Union Island, which is right here, which is a very beautiful harbor. It was a little rough and rolly. Then we went to Palm Island Sunday, then circled around the state and then in Salt Whistle Cove here on the north end of Meru. Today we are in the Great Tobago Cays, which is in this area right here. Tobago Cay is incredibly beautiful. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. But this is the whole overall view of the Grenadines. The Grenadine Islands in the southern waters, and the actual latitude and longitude is in the 12 degrees north, and then at 60-degree range. This is Tobago Cay. We're anchored in 10 to 12 feet of water right off the point of a small island here. The wind is blowing by 20 knots to 25 knots. And this is the edge of the reef out ahead of us. See the waves breaking. And the water is incredibly blue. Incredible color to this water. The schooner came in just a little while ago, anchored in off the point on there. Still has its sails up. Most beautiful area. No, I want you in it. A good picture of the map.
You want to picture that boat?
I got it. Gentleman is Kim, and he's cleaning oysters. He's the world's expert on oysters.
That's good. Maybe a second drop. That's more ketchupy than it is. Southern tip of Grenada after a 30-mile hop from Carrera Group. We'll be soon rounding the point, and we might luff around there. We might have to tack or power or something else.
Well, get the girls down.
We're getting close to luff.
Annie, you're on camera.
I know, but I got Meyer. You're looking in places you shouldn't look.
You're being recorded, Danny.
Yeah, Meyer, we're off of St. George. You don't give me a chance to say. We're off of St. George. That's St. George over there. This is blowing like hell, the wind. It's hard to talk, Myra. I can't tell you everything I want to say. Alright. We're just going to relax.
Take a speed.
I can't believe you have nothing to say.
Summarize.
This is relaxation.
Summarize the trip so
This is
far.
the epitome of sailing. Where are we going, Dick?
We're going out to the sea.
We're going out to sea?
We're going out to sea.
This is the old man in the sea right here.
We're on our way to
Salty Dick.
The saltiest dick you ever saw.
Oh my God. We're on camera. My children are going to watch this.
Myra.
Be careful what you say nowadays.
Dick, you're getting me
I didn't say anything, Daniel. Where are you going now? Okay, now I can see it pretty good.
You can see me pretty good?
Yeah.
Myra, we're having a great time.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing
Here
that
comes
for?
an airplane. Myra, get the airplane.
That's the airport.
I have something to say.
You already got him standing.
He just yelled at me. He told me to get off and you know what, Dick. Quick.
After many hours of days at sea, some of you people that live ordinary, they're hard to deal with. with us for our next cruise. Thank you very much.
What are you doing, guys?
We're doing a lot of work.
Can't see you, you're in the dark.
Isn't that jet that just took off?
I really like it. Yes.
Guess they're doing something with the sails here.
Yes, they're taking them in.
Taking them in. We got a big whip of a weather coming. This is where the town is. The airport's right here with the new orange building. Big airliner just took off. We're going to anchor in Prickly Bay, which is down the coast a little bit. Stay there overnight. Tomorrow morning we'll go into Secret Harbor and return the boat. Warm water, warm air.
Another great day.
He's gone behind the... There he is. Oh, look at that. You look like you're floating in air, Frank.
Floating in air, salt air.
You're floating away. Well, they
Grenada. Grenada.